Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 100 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1 to the power of x. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is rewrite 100 to the power of x as 10 squared to the power of x. So now this is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1 to the power of x. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of x to the power of 2. So now I have 10 to the power of x to the power of 2 is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1 to the power of x. Now, if I have something in the form, 1 to the power of any number is just going to be 1. So we can just get rid of this x as an exponent because it won't really change anything. So now I have 10 to the power of x squared is equal to 10 to the power of x plus 1. And now from here, I'm going to let 10 to the power of x equal to the variable m. So now I have m squared is equal to m plus 1. And this turns into m squared minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to use the quadratic formula to solve this. So the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is negative 1, and c is negative 1. So I get m is equal to negative of negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4a is which is 1 times c, which is negative 1, all over 2a, so 2 times 1. And this turns into positive 1 plus or minus the square root of plus 4 over 2, which is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. So this is the value of m. And to be precise, the two values of m are 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 and 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. Now, remember how we let m equal 10 to the power of x. So 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, and 10 to the power of x is also equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. So for my second equation over here, 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. Well, 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2 is a negative number. And you can't take the power of a positive number and make it equal negative, meaning there's no solution to this equation. So we are only left with 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And to solve this, I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I get log 10 to the power of x is equal to log 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move the exponent b to the front, so this turns into b times log a. So now I have log 10 to the power of x, which I can move x to the front, so I get x times log 10 is equal to log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. And now I'm going to divide both sides by log 10. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 over log 10. And log 10, if you guys already know, is equal to 1. So this turns into log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 over 1, which is the same thing as log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. There's no need to include the over 1 because anything over 1 is itself. So this is my solution to this equation. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 7 to the power of 100 minus 7 to the power of 97. So, for my solution, I'm going to rewrite my problem right here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite 100 as 97 plus 3. So I get 7 to the power of 97 plus 3 minus 7 to the power of 97. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So 7 to the power of 97 plus 3 is going to equal 7 to the power of 97 times 7 to the power of 3. And I have this minus 7 to the power of 97. Now from here, notice how both of my terms have 7 to the power of 97 in them. So I can simply factor out 7 to the power of 97, and I get 7 to the power of 97 times 7 to the power of 3 minus 1. And 7 to the power of 3 minus 1 is, well, 7 to the power of 3 is 343. So I get 343 minus 1, which is equal to 342. So I get 7 to the power of 97 times 342. So this is my answer in simplest form.